The Solarians are a highly advanced alien civilization, driven by an insatiable thirst for power and control. They view the universe as a vast resource to be exploited, and their sole purpose is to dominate and conquer other civilizations. Their obsession with power has led them to develop some of the most advanced weapons and technology in the galaxy, fueled by the immense energy of their local star. They constantly strive to improve their technology, always seeking new and more efficient ways to harness the power of the sun to fuel their ambitions. The Solarians are known for their ruthless tactics, often resorting to extreme measures to achieve their goals. They view diplomacy and negotiation as a sign of weakness and prefer to use force and intimidation to get what they want. They are willing to destroy entire planets and civilizations if it means gaining more power and control.